Okay, I'm going to show you how I feed my dogs a raw diet. Let's look at the foods that they're going to be getting tonight for their dinner. In this blender, I have added a carrot, some parsley, some spinach, and I'm about to add some garlic, and then I'm going to mix it all up in my powerful Vitamix blender. Okay, I also added some Bragg's apple cider vinegar, organic of course, and I'm about to turn on the blender and make this some yummy gooiness that's going to be easy for them to digest. So I just turn up the knob. You can hear Harvey in the background being a jerk because he loves it. Alright, so there's the vegetable portion of their dinner. Okay, so you can see that the vegetable goo is in each of their bowls. And to this, I'm going to add some raw meat. The raw meat I have, that I'm using tonight, is coarse ground whole chicken that I get from My Pet Carnivore. And we're going to mix in with that a little bit of turkey necks. And I believe I have some leftover turkey necks from before. So we're going to mix all of that meat together with the green goo, and then I'm going to give it to the puppies. Okay, I have mixed the green goo and their meat together, and now I'm about to distribute this wonderful meal to my puppies. This is Lucky. She's my 13-year-old German Shepherd, and she loves her meat and veggies. She gobbles it up so fast every single night. And your dog can love this too. It's a healthy way. It's a natural way for them to eat. And I wish you and your puppies the best.